When the rain drops while the sun is shining, ooh, black wisdom says the lion is born. August reveals this mystery the most. It is believed to be the Leo season. The lion, the rule, the power of the sun breaking through the storm. As it paddles, facing hard times, but the storms, they can't end you. They wake up the lion in you. The rule grows louder. The strength grows sharper.
To listen to every zodiac. Struggles are not just pain. Sometimes they are the bait of your role. And like Speak Vico would say, keep your eyes open.